Digitize your van sales with Effort, a no-code DIY SaaS platform. As the day starts, the agent at the warehouse moves the stock that has to be loaded. The stock is validated and confirmed via checklists and transferred to the van. The van sales agent goes about his business for the day via the best routes with route optimization on the Effort platform. The van sales agent then delivers the goods to various stores, generates invoices, collects payments and carries back sales returns. All of this is managed and monitored in real time. With the Effort platform, you will be able to plan and optimize the best routes, monitor sales, generate new orders, provide invoice in real time, manage sales returns with real-time visibility. Our wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility, for reports and analytics, raise service requests through multiple channels, phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.